हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, पिछली क्लास में हम देखे कि पिकार्ड्स मेथड से हम ऑर्डिनरी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं। आज हम देखेंगे आयलर्स मेथड से किसी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। इसका पार्टिकुलर फॉर्म होता है डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, इस फॉर्म में दी होगी। दिस इज द पार्टिकुलर फॉर्म dy by dx is equal to fxy at given initial point, suppose x naught is equal to y naught, okay, where this y is dependent on x, dependent variable, okay, and x is independent, okay. So keep in mind x is independent variable and y is dependent. अगर फंक्शन आई मीन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में नहीं दी होगी तो क्या करेंगे, हम इसको रीराइट करेंगे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को और इस फॉर्म में लाएंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर इस टाइप का डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन गिवन हो dy by dx प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई नॉट इज इक्वल टू 2, तो हम इसको रीराइट करेंगे dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, y naught is equal to 2, okay. So we have to find a function y at any given value of x. तो हमें सॉल्यूशन क्या निकालना है y के फॉर्म में, okay, okay. We have to find y at any given value of x. So only we know about y is slope and its initial value. Slope क्या है, we know about the initial value of y, that is yx naught is equal to y. हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, y इज इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ x टाइप का, और ओनली हमें क्या पता है, इसका इनिशियल कंडीशन पता है, मतलब एक पॉइंट पे इसकी वैल्यू पता है yx naught इज इक्वल टू y naught, और इसका स्लोप क्या है एट एनी पॉइंट xy which is equal to fxy. Also we are given dy by dx means what, slope of function y which is equal to fxy, okay. That means slope of y at any point xy. Is it clear? This is the, suppose we have given x naught, okay, and only we know about the function which we have to calculate, that the initial value is given. That means this is y naught. What is this? X naught, y naught, okay. So we can draw a tangent through this line. Suppose this is like this, okay. This is the tangent. We know this point only about the y, and we have to find the y, and also we know the slope of this y at arbitrary point xy, okay. So we can easily draw a tangent through it passing through x naught, okay. After that we can assume here some point x1 I mean, and we can again draw a line through this. So this is the approximate value. There is some error from this to this. Again we know this, what is this, x1 y1, okay. Also from y1 we can draw a tangent through this, because dy by dx at any point xy is equal to fxy. So we can draw a tangent at the point x1 y1. Suppose it is looks like this type, okay. So again here another point x2, and we can draw a line through x2 on tangent. So this is the point x2 y2, Okay, this is the point x2 y2. So again, and this is the original point, and this is the approximate value of y1. Okay, so there is some error also. Is it clear? Similarly, we can move further. This is the approximate value of y. These and these are approximate value of values of y. Is it clear? So for general formula, of Euler's method, again draw a graph, and here we have given x naught, suppose this type, and this is the point x naught y naught. Okay, so we can draw a tangent through this point because this is given initial condition. We know about this. We have to calculate this function. Only we know the point. This is the initial condition, and we can easily draw a slope like above case. Okay, suppose this is the slope, and this is suppose this is the point xi. Okay, so this is the approximate value of previous one. I suppose here xi. Okay, and this is the original value. This is the approximate value. There is some error. Again, we can draw a tangent through this. Suppose this is the tangent. Okay, again we choose another point xi plus 1. Okay, so this is point what xi plus 1 yi plus 1. Okay, so this is the point, and suppose this is the slope, so there is some angle, we get theta. Okay, so how we will generate the general formula of Euler's method. So slope, how we will write the slope of any function? Tan theta is equal to yi plus 1 minus yi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi. This is very simple because tan theta is equal to this by this. So this length is yi plus 1 minus yi, and this length will be xi plus 1 minus xi. So clearly, so yi plus 1, which is equal to yi plus xi plus 1 minus xi into what? Tan theta, and tan theta is what? Slope, and we know we have given dy by dx is equal to fxy. Okay, that means slope at any point xy, which is equal to fxy. So tan theta is slope, so we can write this like xi yi, slope at xi. Okay, we have to find the slope at xi, so dy by dx at xi is, which is equal to xi yi. Is it clear? So finally we will get yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus h f of xi yi. This is the general formula. And what is the h? H is equal to step size. This term step size, I mean length from here to here. So this is the formula. So what is the case? We have this type of case. We have to calculate this function, and we will find the this value, this value, this value, this value, this and this. Okay, So this is the approximate solution of y. Okay, this is the approximate. अप्रोक्सीमेट निकालना क्यों जरूरी है? क्योंकि सारे केस में हम डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन एग्जैक्ट फॉर्म में नहीं निकाल सकते, so we have to use the numerical methods to calculate the approximate solution. So student, I have one question. I have to implement Euler's method on this differential equation dy by dx, which is equal to, this is fxy y minus x divided by y plus x. So first केस क्या था? डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इस फॉर्म में होना चाहिए, तो ऑलरेडी है. एंड इनिशियल कंडीशन व्हाट? y0 is equal to 1. So we have to find the value of y for x is equal to 0.1 using Euler's method. So कैसे करेंगे? फॉर्मूला क्या है हमारे पास? yi plus 1 which is equal to yi plus h fxi yi. Okay, this is the formula we have to use to find out the differential equation at the given point x is equal to 0.1. So we have to find the value of h. What should be value of h? So we have given value this x naught. We have to find the value of function, I mean y, at x is equal to 0.1. Okay, so what is the h? H is equal to nothing but 0.1 minus 0 divided by 5, which is equal to 0.02. तो हमें क्या वैल्यू x नॉट पे दी हुई है, हमें क्या करना है? दिस x इक्वल टू 0.1 पे फाइंड आउट करना है. x नॉट क्या है? 0 है, यानी फंक्शन की वैल्यू 0 पे दी हुई है. y की वैल्यू, हमें y की वैल्यू 0.1 पे चाहिए. स्टेप साइज क्या होगा? 0.2. तो y पे हम कैसे पहुंचेंगे? दिस इज x1, x2, x3, x4 and finally we will reach at this point. So what is x1? x1 is 0.02, 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, finally 0.1. So one by one we will find the value of y at x1, x2, x3, x4 and finally x5, जो कि दिया हुआ है, हमें फाइंड करना है x इक्वल टू 0.1. So y1 for I is equal to 0, y1 is equal to y naught plus h fx naught y naught. What is our h? h is equal to 0.02. सारे केस में क्या होगा? वो सेम ही होगा. चेंज क्या होगा यहाँ पे? x1 और y1 चेंज होते रहेगा. y1 प्रीवियस वैल्यू में जो कैलकुलेट होगा उसका यूज करेंगे, और x1, x2, x3 क्या लेंगे यहाँ से? x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, so y1, this is 1 plus 0.02 and this is y naught minus x naught divided by y naught plus x naught. So 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. So you can use your calculator and find the value. You will get 1.02. You can check. Okay, for I is equal to 1, y2 is equal to similarly y1 plus h fx1 y1. Okay, so what? y1 means this value 1.02 plus h 0.02 into y naught y1 plus x1. So y1, what is y1? 1.02 minus x1. x1 is what? This one, minus 0.02 divided by y1 plus x1. 1.02 plus 0.02. So finally we will get this value as 1.0392. Similarly we can calculate the other values. So what is the y? y3 is equal to y2 plus h fx2 y2. Okay, so what is the value? Final after putting y2 and x2, we will get this value 1.0577. Okay, in the next step, y4 similarly 1.0756, similarly y5, which we have to calculate this one, which is equal to 1.0928. okay, हमें क्या फाइंड करना था? y की वैल्यू x is equal to 0.1. so y5 means what? This is y5 at x is equal to 0.5. so y5 is equal to y 1.0928 at x is equal to 0.1.